You can animate any generated image directly inside Firefly, perfect for Reels, TikTok, Shorts, and video. I use Firefly boards to generate my animations. Here's how to do it in under 2 minutes. Start by generating your image in Firefly boards. Try out presets like 3D illustration, loose sketch, cartoonify, isometric 3D, and impasto painting. Presets instantly change the style and give you a strong starting point for animation. To animate, you'll need a first frame and a last frame, and there are 3 easy ways to make them. 1. Generate 2 separate images, like a wide angle and a close-up. 2. Use Generative Expand to expand the canvas outward or inward for a natural motion change. 3. Use the same reference image for your first and last frame and adjust it in the Generate Video dialog box. Just hover over the reference images to reveal the crop tool and crop in for smooth zoom animations. Choose your aspect ratio, vertical for social or horizontal for standard video. Hit generate and Firefly will create a smooth animation between your 2 frames. And here's the final result. You can see he's laughing just like I wanted him to. And if you want more control, like adding effects, changing resolution, or adjusting the duration of your video, open Firefly's video generator. For your first and last frames, just go to your generation history, select the images you just made, and then modify the options available. Check out these incredible animations I made generating images in Firefly boards and then animating them using Generate Video. Hope you enjoyed this Design in Minutes tutorial. For more Firefly quick guides, check the playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe.